From the following information, calculate material cost variance, material price variance, material usage variance. Now price variance matlab, as I told you in the very initial lectures, that they are concerned with what? They are concerned with the rate. Price variance में हम rate को लेते हैं, usage means it is nothing but it is a quantity. Now what is the information which has been given to us? We have a three material over here, A, B and C, and they have given the standard unit and the actual units as well as standard price and the actual price for all these three units. देखो standard का भी दिया है units and price, actual units and price भी दिया है. And this was a sum which was been asked in your March 2018 for 10 marks. Now see, wherever like this it has been given like standard actual दोनों का दे दिया and three quantities, three materials are given, so it's better to draw the table and complete it up. ठीक है, तो हम क्या करेंगे, we will draw a table where we will be writing down the headings like material, standard and actual. ठीक है, standard में कितना था और actual में कितना था. Want me to highlight? I will be highlighting it for you. Now see, we need to write down all the three materials first, A, B and C. अब देखो A की units, how we get a standard का amount? If I asked you to find out the amount and give me, तो what you do? Units into price. Total अगर मुझे चाहिए तो what I will be doing? Units into price. So what is the units? 300 are the units. What is the price per unit? एक unit बनाने का price is 3 rupees. So 300 into 3 comes to how much? 900 rupees. So what we have done, we have just multiplied units with a price to get a total. Same way, first complete for the standard, then go for the actual. For B, 400 units are there at the rate rupees 5 per unit. So 400 units into 5 when I do, I will be getting 2000 ka total. Same way do it for the C. 500 units and rupees 4 per unit. So 500 into 4. This will be 2000 rupees. Now, after completing this, what you will be doing, just take a total of the unit column. The total comes to how much? 1200. See down over here. 1200. Take a total of this. Take addition of a total column. You will be getting 4900. So that is why I've written over here 1200 and 4900. Same way, we have to compare the standard and the actual to find out the variance. ये कितना दोनों के बीच का difference आ रहा है. What is the difference? That difference is known as variance. So let's find out for the actual now. Actual units देखो कितनी थी. 320 units was been made. हमने standard set किया था 300 का, but actual में कितना हमने बनाया 320. And what is the rate? 4 rupees is the rate. So 320 into 4 multiplied, you will be getting a total of 1280 rupees. Same way for next 480 into 450 for B, 480 into 4.5. So this comes to how much? 480 into 4.5 gives me 2160. Same way for the C unit, 420 is a unit, 5 rupees is a rate. So 420 into 5 comes to 2100. Again, the same like we did for the standard, take a total of the units column and the total column. See down the units is coming to 1220. Same way we have to take a total of this. It is coming to 5540. So that just write down 5540 in the total column. So now what is the first thing which they have asked us to calculate? They have asked us to calculate material cost variance. So first one, let's calculate the material cost variance. How you get the material cost variance? Standard minus actual. अब देखो, we have already calculated the amount. देखो दोनों जगह पर हमने amount calculate already कर दिया है. सो यू अभी वहां यहाँ पर वापस अगेन एंड अगेन यू डोंट डू ए बी सी का वापस मत निकालो. वी हैव टेकन द टोटल. Total remains the same, that is 4,900, and here for the actual it is coming to 5,540. So directly you can do it. I have just elaborated the formula for you all over here, that it is nothing but it is a standard quantity into standard price minus actual quantity into actual price. But here we are doing the combine for A, B, C. Combine cost निकाल रहे हैं हम लोग यहाँ. You can even split like A का अलग, B का अलग, C का अलग, ऐसे भी कर सकते हो. And total also you can do it like this. So let's find out 4,900 minus 5,540. This will give me 640. बट एडवर्स, बाय एडवर्स कैसे पता चलता है एडवर्स? अगर नेगेटिव आ रहा है, देखो 4,900 में से माइनस करेंगे हम 5,540, देन वी विल बी गेटिंग अ नेगेटिव 640. So that is why we are writing over here as a adverse. Now next thing is they are asking us to find out material price variance. Now what is the formula for calculating material price variance? Actual quantity, then in the bracket standard price minus actual price. Now here we need to calculate for differently for A, material B and material C. ठीक है, अब देखो मटेरियल A का एक्चुअल यूनिट्स कितना था? 320. 320 was the units. So yeah, here I will be writing down 320. Now, in bracket you have to subtract the actual price from standard price. So देखो, standard price is how much? 3. Actual price is 4. So 3 minus 4, when I do, I will be getting a negative 1. So 320 into negative 1 will give me 320 adverse. ठीक है, 320 एडवर्स. सेम वे कैलकुलेट फॉर द बी. एक्चुअल देखो क्वांटिटी कितना है? 480. तो आई विल बी राइटिंग डाउन ओवर हियर 480. नाउ स्टैंडर्ड प्राइस माइनस एक्चुअल प्राइस. सो 5 माइनस 4.5 विल गिव मी 0.5. सो 480 इंटू 0.5 विल गिव मी 240. बट देखो यहाँ पर आंसर पॉजिटिव आ रहा है, सो हियर वी विल बी राइटिंग डाउन इट्स फेवरेबल. सेम वे कैलकुलेट फॉर मटेरियल सी. 420 is a quantity, 4 rupees is a price, standard price, and 5 rupees is the actual price. So 4 minus 5. Again, when I will be doing this, I will be getting a negative 1 rupee. So 420 into negative 1 will give me 420 rupees adverse. So here I got 420 adverse. So just we have to apply this into the formula and we have to complete it. Now the third part which they are asking us to find is material usage variance. How you will be getting the material usage variance? We have a formula. Standard price in bracket standard quantity minus actual quantity. Now same way calculated for material A, B and C. Now what is the standard price over here? 3 rupees is a standard price. In bracket you have to subtract the quantities. 300 minus 320. Now 300 minus 320 करेंगे तो we will be getting a negative 20. So 3 into negative 20 means it is negative 60. So here it is an adverse. Same way calculate for B. Standard price is how much? 5. Again, quantity, standard quantity minus actual quantity. 400 minus 480. So this will give you negative 80. So 5 into negative 80 comes to 400 negative. So that is why we will be writing down in the bracket adverse. Calculated for C. Standard price is 4. Quantity is 500 minus 420. So this will be positive 80. So 4 into positive 80 means 320 favorable. Now, I've already taught you to do verification. Material cost variance is nothing but it is a total of प्राइस वेरिएंस एंड द यूजेज वेरिएंस, करेक्ट। अब देखो क्या कर सकते हैं, हम एडवर्स को ऐड कर देते हैं और उसमें से फेवरेबल को सबट्रैक्ट कर देंगे, तो वी विल गेट वन नेट अमाउंट. सो डू अलॉन्ग विथ मी, 320 plus 420, this comes to 740. 740 एडवर्स है, तो 740 एडवर्स माइनस कर दो उसमें से ये फेवरेबल, 240 फेवरेबल. सो दिस कम्स टू 500 एडवर्स आ रहा है ना, देखो यार आई एम शोइंग यू, दिस इज व्हाट आई एम डूइंग, 320 प्लस 420, जो एडवर्स वाला है ना उसको ऐड कर देंगे, उसमें से फेवरेबल को सबट्रैक्ट कर देते हैं. So you will be getting down over here 500, which is adverse. Same way we can do it for this material usage variance भी. देखो एडवर्स को ऐड कर दो, 400 plus 60 that comes to 460 minus 320 which is favorable, so this will give me 140 adverse. अब देखो एडवर्स 500 plus 140, add this to 500 plus 140, this is giving you how much, 640 adverse. तो मटेरियल कॉस्ट भी हमारा कितना है, 640 adverse. So like this way we can do the verification. C class over here, material cost variance is equal to material price variance plus material usage variance. 640 adverse because we have already got this, 500 adverse we have calculated for price variance, and for 140 is for usage variance. So add this, you will be getting 640. So the sum is correct. This is how you can do the verification as well. Easy? Yes.